Welcome to the facility. We are already processing the morning's harvest with this new system.
It's incredible how efficient the sorting is.
Here in the receiving area, we ensure every watermelon is inspected right off the truck before it hits the conveyor belt for sorting.
This batch looks excellent, Supervisor, all within the bricks range.
Good. Log that as approved and continue the sortation process.
This new sensor array drastically reduces sorting time. Just monitor the flow from the HMI, and the robotic arms handle the rest.
The pressure on these new jets really gets the surface clean.
It's much more efficient than the old system.
The first step is the pre-wash, followed by the main brushing phase you see here. We use see here.
This is where we ensure quality control, removing any damaged watermelons before they proceed down the line.
Our automated systems handle thousands of watermelons an hour, ensuring perfect slices every time.
We have the watermelon juice entering the cross-flow filtration system. The membranes efficiently remove the pulp,
Here at the plant, our automated systems ensure perfect consistency with every cut.
Check the blade alignment on line 3. We are seeing too much rind in the output.
Automated system applies the distinctive watermelon juice labels, ensuring perfect placement every time.
This massive warehouse maintains optimal temperatures, utilizing advanced logistics to distribute thousands of pallets of fresh juice daily. Here at the loading bay, our team ensures every carton of watermelon juice is carefully packed for delivery.
This is the final checklist for the shipment to the main hub.
Okay, looks good. I'm ready to roll.
Perfect. Drive safe.
Here you can see the final stage, where the freshly packaged watermelon juice is prepared for retail.
Ruby red liquid passes through our advanced filtration system, ensuring crystal clear quality before reaching the vats.
This pasteurization process guarantees the juice is safe and ready for bottling.
After pasteurization, the juice is rapidly cooled in these vats to maintain flavor and ensure stability before bottling.
Here we see the mesmerizing slow-motion cascade of our signature ruby red juice.
Okay, just scrape the rest into the bin there.
Got it? Got it.
Here we utilize advanced technology to ensure a completely zero waste process. The sorting and washing status. As you can see, the machines run simultaneously. The juice is extracted here and the remaining pulp.
We take pride in bringing you the freshest taste of summer, straight from our factory to your home.